Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 29G GTB Racing Wheel review. Looking for a review of the Thrustmaster T98 Ferrari 296 GTB Racing Wheel? This is a budget-friendly racing wheel designed mainly for beginners and casual players who want a more immersive experience than a controller. One of its biggest strengths is its price, since it provides a full wheel and pedal setup without high cost of more advanced sim racing gear. It also features Ferrari-inspired styling, pedal shifters, and plug-and-play support for PS5, PS4, and PC, making it very easy to set up and start using. The build quality is surprisingly solid for a budget device, with reviewers noticing it feels sturdier than expected, despite being mostly plastic, and the pedals include Hall effect sensors for better durability and accuracy. However, the biggest drawback is lack of real force feedback, replaced instead with a basic bungee system that only enters the wheel, meaning you won't feel road texture, grip loss, or weight transfer. It also only offers 240 degrees of rotation, which limits realism compared to higher-end wheels like Logitech or direct drive systems. Overall, it's a good starter wheel for arcade racing games like Forza Horizon 5 or Gran Turismo 7. But serious sim racers will likely outgrow it quickly and want to upgrade to a more advanced setup. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.